Morning students, today I'll be giving you the demonstration of your chapter number 3, that is advanced formatting with MS Word. Now in advanced formatting, MS Word is we are using for typing. I have opened MS Word document out here and I have typed something out on the page. This way you can use the MS Word document. Some of the formatting we have already learned. Formatting means making changes to the document. We have learned how to format from the home tab. You can see bold, italics, underline, changing of the center, left align, right align, and so many things out here. How to change the style of typing, how to change the font size of the document. Now next we will be going to the page layout tab out here. In page layout tab we are having 5 groups. First one is theme, page setup, page background, paragraph and arrange. So we will learn some of them. I have written out here, or I have enlisted what we will learn today. First thing we will learn is applying themes. Next is add borders. Next one is set document margins, change page orientation, set paragraph settings. In paragraph we can do number of settings and we will learn about it today. And next one is use the format painter. Now let's start with the applying of themes. For applying theme, you'll go to the page layout and first option out here you can see is themes. When you click on the theme, a gallery will open out here and you can select any of the theme from these built-in themes or any other option you want to use, then you can use it from here. So I'm taking the option of Metro. This way I've added the theme. Other options are also here, but we'll just go with the theme. Now next one is how to, after applying the theme, we'll learn how to add border to the page. Now you can see in page layout again, we are having the group of page background. From here you can select the page border. In page border, there are different options. First is settings, style, color, art, and here is preview. You can make the different changes from here. आप इससे different changes कर सकते हैं अपने page border के लिए. The first one is none. Presently I have not selected any of the border. Next आप select करेंगे box and I can see the box will appear like this on my preview. Means कैसा आपका दिखेगा document, that I have added out here. Preview में आप देखेंगे कि there will be a line around your document. Style, you can see different styles are here. Let me select one of the style that is bit different. Let's select this blue style. I've selected this style and you can see there is a change of style on the screen. Now next one is you can change the color of the style. If you want it, let it be green. You can see the color has changed, or you want to change it to the pink one. Let's see, magenta. You have changed it to the magenta. Now next one is width. Width means what should be the thickness. Here they have given only one thickness for this style. Let me change to some other style and see the thickness. Automatic color is black. Let me select pink or magenta and let me see there are two options of the line width. One is 3/4 point and one is 1.5 point. I have selected 1.5 point. Now this is the style we have selected. We can even select the art. See, the first one is apples and some other options are here and you can select many options from here. Let's go with the trees. You can see you have applied the trees out here. And from preview option, you can see whether you can apply it to the whole document or some section of the page or first page only, or this section all except first page. Is it okay? Now let's apply it. This way you have got a border around your document. So from where? From page background, page borders, and page borders have different options. You can either have the box type. Let's apply 3D. Again, try it. Let's go to the color. Color will be different. Let's see it. If you apply the art, then art will be there. If you apply the shadow and some styling, you are selecting from the style and color and width, and then apply, then it will be a different one. Now this is all about the borders. Now next one is, next thing they have given in your book is the time for action or something for you to do. Now next thing is page borders. How to change the border of your page. Now, okay, cancel it. Let's see. If you see, you click out here, you can see there is some distance between what you have typed, and what is shown on the 1 minute. I'll remove the border so that the thing is clear to you. I'll apply none of the border, and let's go back. Now see, there is a difference between the left side of your page and the thing you have typed. Now you can change the margins from the page margin option. Page layout, page margin. Now we have selected narrow. Let's go to the normal, and you can see the distance between the left side and the thing which we have typed has increased. Let's take some other margin, wide margin. You can see the distance has increased. Same way, let's go to the narrow margin. You see the thing has come closer to the left side. Now from here, page layout, page setup, margins can be changed. Now again, they have given some option for you in the book. You can change the margin from here. Now come to the page orientation. What do you mean by page orientation? The style how you see the page. Either it is portrait, means नीचे को ये, it will be longer than wider. नीचे को लंबा होगा, चौड़ा नहीं होगा. And next one is landscape. You can see it is wider than longer. This is known as the orientation of the page. We normally go with the portrait, but sometimes we have to select the landscape for better viewing of the document. Now next thing is paragraph. You all know paragraph is a group of sentences. Now in page layout, you can see the option of paragraph. From here, there is a button out here. This is known as the launcher. When you will click on it, you will see that a different dialog box appears on your screen. From this, you can change the alignment, left align, centered. Before that, before applying it, you have to select the paragraph. It should be selected. I have written some lines out here. I will select these lines, and then I'll click on the launcher. Then you can see if I left align them, they will go to the left side. Let me show you better in a better way. 1 minute. Okay, it's saying first you show me. Then I can center it and then click on OK. The thing will come to the center of the document. Again, I'll click on the launcher. I'll click on the right side, and you can click from here. This is the setting we are doing, and when we go to the home option, again we are having the settings out here. Home पे भी है, home tab पे भी you are having the option, and in page layout also you are having the same option. Let's come back to the left side, and then we have to click on OK. Now next thing is indent. First let's click on it. Our thing has come closer to the left side. Now you can see there is a difference between the left side and the thing we have typed or the paragraph we have typed. This difference is known as the indent. This space is known, इस space को हम indent बोलते हैं. Now again go to the paragraph launcher and you can see the option out here, indentation. Indentation means how much difference the text is having from the left border or right border. Here we can't understand the option of right border because the distance is already very large distance is there. But if you are having large paragraphs, you can decide how much border it should be or how much distance from the right side and how much distance from the left side. Let's try for the left side. I've increased with the help of this box is known as the spin box. I've increased the distance 2.6 centimeter and then I'll click on OK. You can see the distance has increased. अब आप कुछ भी टाइप करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट लाइन 2.6 सेंटीमीटर्स दूर होगी आपके लेफ्ट बॉर्डर से. सेम वे आप राइट साइड के लिए भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन सेट द इंडेंटेशन. नाउ इंडेंटेशन can be for the first line only. Now let's again undo what changes I had made. I'll undo it. Then I'll go to the paragraph option. Again special first line and I've increased the space 2 point. How much I did it last time? 2.6. Let's again go with 2.6 to see the change and then click on OK. Okay, sorry, because I have selected whole of the line, it will be applied to the whole document. I'll not select anything. I'll click out here, then I'll go to the option, then I'll go to the change which I want to make. 3.5 I have selected and then first line and then click OK. You can see only the first line has been applied only to the first line. This is known as indenting of the first line. आपको याद होगा कि पैराग्राफ का फर्स्ट लाइन जो होते हैं हमेशा थोड़ी आगे से स्टार्ट होती है, इसलिए हम इस ऑप्शन को भी यहाँ पे रखते हैं. Now next one is spacing between the lines. I am having 2 lines. I have selected 2 lines. Now if I want to change the spacing from here, I am having an option out here. I can change the space before the paragraph, after the paragraph and line space between 2 lines. Let me double the space and then click on OK and you can see the space between the lines has increased. Again I'll change and I'll single it, then I'll click on OK and the space between the lines has decreased. This is known as the line spacing. Sorry. Next one is the alignment. You all know what is paragraph alignment. I'll not go again with it. Now, how to apply the columns? You all know what are the columns. You can have 1 column, you can have 2 columns, you can have 3 columns out here. Now, we are just working in 1 column. Let's select in 2 columns, then 1 column will be here and you can see the space has been left for the second column. This is the second column they have started with. Same way from this option of columns you can right, left, different styles are there you can apply. I'll go back to the 1 column. Now I have told you applying of themes, adding borders, setting document margins, changing page orientation, set paragraph settings. Paragraph settings, I have told you how to indent, how to change the spacing of line or a paragraph. And next and the last one is format painter. Now format painter is an option. If you go to the home tab, there is an option of a format painter. You can see a brush at the starting. Or if I select this option, whatever format I am having for this word, इस वर्ड का जो भी फॉर्मेट है, इसका कलर, इसका लिखने का स्टाइल, जो भी चेंजेस हैं वो मैं कहीं और भी अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल let me change it to this style. You can see this style of writing or typing is different from what I have written out here. Now I will select it. I'll go to the format painter, and then you can see a brush has come with the cursor, and if I apply it or select it out here, you see the same thing is applied to this part. Is it okay? Again, let's do it. Select the document, go to the format painter. There is one more option, right click on it. आप जब राइट क्लिक करेंगे यहाँ पे ये ऑप्शन आपको यहाँ भी दिखाई देगी, इस पे क्लिक करिए एंड देन यू टेक इट टू द अदर प्लेस. और आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि फॉर्मेट पेंटर हैज बीन सिलेक्टेड? यू कैन सी देयर इज अ स्मॉल ब्रश विद द कर्सर आउट हियर. एक छोटा सा ब्रश है कर्सर के साथ. इसका मतलब अभी आप कौन सी ऑप्शन यूज कर रहे हैं? फॉर्मेट पेंटर, एंड यू कैन अप्लाई इट. So this way we have completed with the different things we should learn in chapter 3 of your book. Please go through the chapter, try to understand the things and try to do the exercises. Thank you.